planets even better for life than Earth? For centuries, people have been fascinated by the search for life on other planets. As our awareness of the universe grows, so does our understanding of the possibility of life on different worlds. While Earth is without a doubt the fittest planet for life as we know it, researchers have discovered several additional planets that may even be better suited for supporting life. Take a deeper look at some of these exoplanets and their possibilities. KOI 5715.01 is one such planet, about 3,000 light-years away. This planet meets most fundamental prerequisites for supporting life. It is located in its star's habitable zone, where circumstances are neither too hot nor too cold for liquid water to exist on the surface. But it's super habitable because it checks off many more boxes, making it excellent for supporting life. Do you know that the planetary system of KOI 5715.01 is thought to be roughly 5.5 billion years old, which is about 1 billion years older than our own solar system? Its size is also nearly perfect. It is slightly larger than Earth, implying that it could retain heat and even support more species if its average temperature were a few degrees higher. Although it's about twice the size of Earth, it may be fine, provided that the proper atmospheric composition and significant greenhouse effect that allows it to reach the desired temperature. Kepler 69c is another planet considered a super-Earth, meaning that it's larger than Earth but smaller than Neptune. Despite its enormous size, Kepler 69c is thought to be habitable because it fits several essential criteria for habitability. One of these characteristics is age. Kepler 69c is around 7 billion years old, which falls within the range where superhabitable planets are predicted to exist. While Kepler 69c is about 4 times the mass of Earth, it may still be habitable if it has a shoreline washed by its oceans. This would create a stable environment in which life might thrive. Furthermore, Kepler 69c is in its star's habitable zone, which indicates that it's neither too hot nor too cold for liquid water to exist on its surface. Here's another one with a familiar name, Kepler 1126b. It's another super-Earth, only 2,073 light-years away, and circles a yellow dwarf similar to our own Sun. Even though Kepler 1126b is 2.5 times closer to its star than Earth is to its Sun, its habitable zone is much closer to it. It may come as a shock to you that its star is much cooler than ours. Well, don't worry. There is still hope. At 106 light-years away, Speculos 2c could be a viable super-habitable planet. It is roughly 40% larger than Earth, and it's in a habitable zone. Although its red dwarf star is incredibly tiny, the planets orbit so close that they may become tidally locked. Do you realize that this means that life could exist in the Terminator Zone, the thin strip of land separating the planet's two halves? While these super habitable worlds are fascinating, they are now out of reach for humanity, with some thousands of light years away. But as technology progresses and our awareness of the universe grows, we may find habitable worlds closer to home. For the time being, we can continue to study and appreciate the glories of our planet while gazing at the stars for clues about what other types of life may exist outside our own solar system. And if you're still curious about what other strange what-if possibilities we can investigate, make sure to see our next video.